Once your equipment has been commissioned, what can the customer do to ensure their process remains reliable, stable, and efficient?
By partnering with Atlas Copco, it provides an opportunity to work in a proactive manner. As machines age and process conditions change over time, our teams will work with the customers to assess the current process conditions and then evaluate the efficiency of the equipment. These evaluations are highly recommended to help optimize the plant performance. What may have been a good design based on conditions yesterday doesn't necessarily mean that that's going to be the same going forward. Atlas Copco offers various training and maintenance plans ranging from a basic, non-invasive inspection to a complete overhaul, which allows our field service technicians to get a complete assessment of the equipment. Understanding the value of what these compressors and turbo expanders bring to the bottom line, a 10 or 15% increase in efficiency could mean hundreds of thousands of dollars in energy savings and productivity gains.